Want a meal that is packed with flavor and protein and takes under 6 minutes to whip up. This black beans and plantain bowl with grilled chicken is bold, comforting, and way too easy to put together. Let's get cooking. I'm going to add spices to my chicken. I'm using chicken lap. You can use beef or fish. This is optional. I'm going to add all my spices. In there, I have cayenne pepper, I have garlic powder. I'm adding some mayonnaise to release juiciness. I'm adding sweet chili. I'm going to list all the ingredients in the description down below, so feel free to check it out. I'm going to add it and I will leave it to marinate for like 30 minutes in the fridge. So after 30 minutes, I will bring it out, lay them on the tray and grill this for 50 minutes. Yes, I'm going to grill it for 50 minutes. Guys, feel free to check out all the ingredients and their measurements. Thereafter, I'm going to cut my plantain. You can cut plantain to any size you want. I'm cutting it this way, but you can also cut it in cube shape if you want. So I'm going to cut them. I'm going to fry them and set it aside before going ahead to make the black beans. Hey my lovely, welcome back to my video. If it's your first time coming to my channel, you are very welcome. And I'm Boss's Home Kitchen. If your first time, yeah, focus on easy homemade meals. I'm using the black beans and I'm going to boil that for like 3 minutes. You add a little bit of salt and boil it for 3 minutes before removing it from the water. In another pot, I'm going to add onions. You can slice your onions. So I prefer blending the onions. I'm going to add a little bit of ginger and garlic paste before going ahead to add my mixed pepper mix. This is the mixture of red pepper, tomato, and scotch bonnet. I'm going to add some crayfish, ground crayfish, but there are some that are not grounded. I just add the two together and leave it. I'm going to leave that to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, then I will go ahead and add the black beans. The black beans, you have to cook it for like 3 minutes because it doesn't take time to boil. So as it is now, because we have boiled the black beans, it's cooked already. The stew is also cooked already. So you just need to cook this on a low heat, allow it to simmer, because the secret to a great beans is letting them simmer with a little, a little garlic as I've added and onion for depth. So let it simmer. I have some fried beef. If you want, you can add. If you want, it's optional, which I have added to it. If you have some cooked shrimp, also you can also add it. It all depends on your preference, your choice of what you want. So I've had it and just leave it to cook for like on a low heat for 2 minutes. Then it is ready. It doesn't even take time. Okay. If you want your plantain golden, no burnt, medium heat is your friend. Okay. So because if you put it on a high heat, then it can easily burn and you don't want that. Now the plantain is ready. Her chicken is ready and our beans is also ready. Can you see how easy and fast it is? This is what we do on this channel. We focus on easy homemade meal that anyone can cook no matter your skills. No stress. And you're going to eat healthy and eat fine. That is it. So that is it. You can serve and enjoy the plantain, fried plantain, black beans. These black beans and plantain, when you eat these, you will keep coming back to it. You will forget Nigerian beans. Yeah, you will forget Nigerian beans totally. I don't even know when last I've eaten Nigerian beans since I started eating this. Very, 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 very delicious. Spontaneous. It's really, really good. try this and thank me later. So my people, if this bowl made your mouth water, don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with someone who love both flavors. Okay, thank you so much for watching today's video with me. Right now I'm trying to test it and I must say it is really the best thing. Honestly, it is really delicious. You need to give this a try. Are you going to give this a try? Let's know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching today's video and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.